Be ready for dictation. Dictation starts after 5 seconds. Start. The judiciary serves as the ultimate arbiter of disputes and the custodian of constitutional supremacy, ensuring that the principles of equity, justice, and good conscience prevail in every adjudicatory process. Stop. The principle of natural justice, encompassing the right to a fair hearing and the rule against bias, forms the bedrock of procedural law. Stop. Any judicial or quasi-judicial determination that flouts these inviolable principles is liable to be quashed as being arbitrary or ultra vires. Stop. It was unequivocally held that the legislative power of amendment does not extend to altering or abrogating the essential features of the Constitution, such as the rule of law, separation of powers, and judicial review. Stop. The law of torts operates on the foundational principle of restitution in integrum, ensuring that a person wronged by the act or omission of another is restored, as far as possible, to the position they would have occupied had the wrongful act not occurred. Stop. Negligence, as a cause of action, requires the plaintiff to establish a duty of care owed by the defendant, a breach of that duty, and proximate causation linking the breach to the harm suffered. Stop. The courts, while adjudicating on such matters, have frequently invoked the test of reasonableness to determine liability. Stop. In the domain of criminal law, the presumption of innocence until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt is a cardinal principle enshrined in jurisprudence. Stop. Contract law underscores the sanctity of agreements, provided they are entered into with free consent and for lawful consideration. Stop. Section 19 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, declares contracts induced by coercion, fraud, or misrepresentation to be voidable at the discretion of the aggrieved party. Stop. Furthermore, agreements made for unlawful purposes are declared void ab initio under section 23. Stop. Dictation ends.